Hello, everyone. So today I'm just going to put you through what you need to do for the project that's going to be posted on Monday. It's going to be due on Friday, May 1st. So you'll have the rest of the week to complete the quiz and project. Okay, so I'm just going to go over real quickly what you need to do. So basically, it's a review of lessons 1 through 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Last week, you spent the entire week reviewing the different concepts. And so this week, it's time to assess what you learned. Okay. So directions. The first thing you should always do is open up a slide, right? And read the first slide to see what the directions say. So directions say, the following slides have information about the units we discussed during remote learning in the past 4 weeks. Read through and review the slides and videos on the next slides. So that should be done on Monday. Monday should be mostly just you looking at different slides and seeing what you need to do, reviewing your different knowledge. So you can go through each slide. So I'm going to show you right here. The second slide is going to be links to different videos. So as always, if you see that it's a different color, you can click on it, and then it's going to give you what the website where you can go actually see the video to review that concept for lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Or, this is also an option. You can watch the videos or you can read through the slides. You really have to figure out what works best for you, right? If you want to do both of them, do both of them. But I would say pick one option. Like I myself, I like to read through things. And then if I'm a little confused, I like to watch a video. I don't like to do both sometimes because then it's too much information. But if I do need that extra push, I like to do both of them. Okay, so here goes lesson number 1. Here's some vocabulary, and I'm just going to scroll through just so that you see all of the lessons are here. So you don't need to go back to any other slides. Everything is here for you to use. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the title slide with the directions. Number 2, so on Tuesday, so after review on Monday, right, on Tuesday, you're going to take the Google form. So Google form is going to be in the same way that we've been doing all of these assignments every Monday and Wednesday. I put the questions together on one form for you. So now this is going to be counted as 15 points. So out of 15 points, I'm going to give you a grade based on how you answer the question. So you can kind of see the grade points over here on the side. So each question is worth 1 point. Okay. There is a short answer. All right. There's gonna be a total of 6 short answers. Okay. It's up to you to write down what you think what the answer is. Okay. So the first one is kind of gonna go by topic. So the first one is gonna be what does the immune system do to protect you? The second one is gonna be about vaccines. The third one about allergies. And it's gonna go forth with every topic that we covered, the 6 different topics. When you're done, you're going to submit next. Okay. So when you submit next, there's going to be a reflection page on the next page. That is not graded. Okay. That is just kind of for me to see where you guys are at, what you liked about the topic, what you didn't like about the topic, whether or not you understood the topic. So be truthful in that because that's not graded. You know how we always do reflections at the end of every unit? Same thing here. We're going to do a reflection and you're also going to vote for the next topic. So since you guys know we're not doing regions this year, I'm letting you choose from the different topics that we have for living environment. So whichever gets the 2 highest votes, we'll try and learn about those 2 topics first. Okay. All right. Number 3. So number 3 is going to be your project. So the project is like this. We're going to click on the actual page, the link. All right. And this is going to be attached also on the assignment on Google Classroom, but everything is here is also linked as well. So just like this, you're going to click on it and then you click on the link. It's going to open up to a Google Doc. And when it opens up, and once again, I put a nice reminder for you guys that everything is due on Friday, May 1st. So I don't want to see anything late after that. Especially since I gave you guys the entire week to do this entire assignment. Okay. Reminder, guys, I know you guys get the alerts that say that, you haven't handed in the work, blah, blah, blah. And I know that most of you do it. If you want that alert to go away, you have to press turn in. So usually the turn in button is at the right-hand corner over here. But since I own this document, I cannot see that. So you press turn in at the top so that assignment alert can go away. Okay. I also get an email that tells me that you turned in the assignment. So that's something that you guys can do when you're done. Okay, so going back. So you already did number 1, which was Monday. You read through the slides and videos, right? Number 2, you answered the Google form. That was on Tuesday. It's worth 15 points, right? With the reflection at the end. And then number 3, this will be done on Wednesday. So you want to pace yourself. On Wednesday, you're going to pick one project. How many projects? One project. So don't do all 3 options, only do one. So once again, you get to choose what's best for you, okay? So the first project is write a 3 to 4 sentence letter to your immune system, thanking them for all the wonderful things it does to keep you healthy and alive, okay? So if you like that one, by all means, pick letter A. Second one, B, draw comic strips. So I know a lot of you guys really love to draw, are really into comics, and that's awesome. And I would love to see your artistic abilities come through. So you can do that as well. You can draw a comic strip showing one of the functions of the immune system, and you can do that as well. The third one, record a 1 to 2 minute video explaining what one of the functions are of the immune system. So some of you guys have been sending in the videos for the pepper and soap experiment. So if you are you know how to use videos, you know how to upload them, you know how to share them, you can use that as your project option, and I'll count that as the 5 points, okay? So just to review, if you pick one of these projects and you do it to the best of your ability and you hand it in, you will get the 5 points, okay? So this will be our first time doing a project together as a class during remote learning. So I'm going to try and be as lenient and understanding, but I do need to see you complete one of these 3 options, okay? So part 3, which is the project, will go over here. Recommend that you use one of these vocabulary words that I highlighted as part of your project, okay? Try and pick at least 2. This shows me that you understand. I do not want to see anything copy pasted from the internet. If you're using really large, big words that I know that we both know that we don't understand those words, that they're obviously from the internet, I do not want to see that. I want to see you use your own words. I want to see you explaining what you understood about these, about the immune system in your own words. That's like 100%, you know, even if it's a short sentence, I'd rather see that than you copying, right? Because this is all about learning and not about being copy machines. So, okay. I also embedded over here, if you're drawing or making a video, these are YouTube tutorials, right? If you're interested in being more creative, you're not really sure how to, these are links on how to do that onto the Google Doc, okay? And here's another link on how to use Google Docs more in depth. So if you wanted to do different things on there that you just want to learn, maybe for this class or other classes, there's a link as well, okay? Lastly, number 4, extra credit. There is extra credit. So let's say you wanted to get extra points. So I'm going to go back to the title slide. Extra credit information can be found on the last slide. So that's slide number 22. So I'm going to slide down to 22 and click on it. Okay, extra credit. So this is for a little bit of fun. This can be done on Thursday or Friday. Let's say you are up to date with all your assignments so far. You know, you want to do something extra on Thursday or Friday, or like you want to make sure that you keep your average really high, then I totally support you doing the extra credit. If you feel like you don't want to do the extra credit is up to you. You do not have to do it, okay? So extra credit includes, you can view or tour one of these websites below. Then you're going to write what you learned from the video or website by answering the 4 questions. So I have a link to how Legos are made, how McDonald's fries are made, how hot Cheetos are made, how to become a doctor, exercise. So there you go. There's a bunch of different categories. You click on one of these links, you watch the video, and then you answer these 4 questions. And you're going to do that on the same document that you did your project on. So if I go back to the same document, you could always get the links that you need to do this project on the first slide. You click that document, open up again, and it's going to be number 4. So if I go down to number 4, that's where you will put your extra credit, okay? So I'm going to scroll down so that you can see, and your extra credit would go down here. Okay, so everything is going to be in the same place so that when I check it, I can see whether or not you did the extra credit and whether or not you did the project. Okay, now I'm going to be on Google Classroom during our class time on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, so if you have any questions, please ask me on the comment section what you need help with. Okay, if you want to send me a private message, that's fine as well, or an email with any specific concerns, let me know. Okay, everyone should be able to do this Google form quiz as well as this project. Like I said, only pick one of the projects to complete and do it to the best of your ability. Okay. I know some of you might want to draw the comic strip, or if you take a video, you can attach it or email me that if you're not able to put it into the document. But like I said, email me or in the comment section, ask me how you can do that, and maybe I can help you put it into the document so that everything is in one place. Yeah, I guess that's it. I hope you guys have a good rest of the week, and I'll see you on the Google stream. Bye-bye.